The sun has powered life on Earth for billions of years, shining every second without pause. Human civilization has never experienced a single moment without the sun. But imagine the impossible happens, and the sun suddenly turns off without warning.
8 minutes later, the final sunlight reaches Earth, and then darkness takes over.
For the first time, the entire planet enters total night simultaneously. Without solar energy, Earth immediately begins losing heat into the cold vacuum of space.
Temperatures fall across the planet faster than any winter in recorded history. Within hours, major cities begin freezing, locking buildings, roads, and vehicles in ice.
Photosynthesis stops instantly, cutting off the primary energy source for plant life. As plants fail, the global food chain begins collapsing from its foundation.
Animals sense the danger immediately, driven purely by instinct to survive.
Many species cannot survive the sudden cold and perish during the first night.
Solar power systems worldwide fail instantly, removing a major source of global electricity.
Hospitals switch to emergency generators, knowing fuel supplies are dangerously limited.
Scientists confirm the unthinkable. The sun is completely inactive.
Governments across the world declare a global emergency within hours.
Transportation systems shut down as fuel freezes and visibility disappears. Underground shelters become humanity's safest remaining environments.
After 12 hours, Earth becomes colder than Antarctica has ever been. Extreme temperature differences generate powerful storms across the planet.
Even the oceans begin freezing from the surface downward.
Millions of people will not survive the extreme cold.
The final hour without the sun begins. If the sun does not return now, then, deep within the sun, a faint light appears.
After 24 hours, the sun turns back on.
Light returns to Earth, revealing a frozen and damaged planet. Rapid melting triggers massive floods across continents.
Most ecosystems fail to recover from the shock.
Entire species disappear forever.
Humanity survives, but at an unimaginable cost.
Recovery will take centuries, if recovery is possible at all.
One day without the sun nearly erased life on Earth.
The sun is not just light. It is survival itself.
Every sunrise reminds us how fragile life truly is.
This planet exists because the sun never stops shining. Now ask yourself one question.
What if it never turned back on?
Because without the sun, there is no life on Earth.